Abortion rights are a very hot button topic currently in the United States, especially after the Supreme Court overturned Roe v. Wade in June of 2022. This caused many states to enact or pass laws that severely restrict or even make illegal abortions within their state. This is something that is very important to be discussing and having federal laws regarding, as it is something that affects many women within the United States and can be detrimental to the health of both them as well as their children. This is not a new practice within the United States, nor is it a new practice at all within the human race, and it is very important to protect the women of the United States by creating laws at a federal level that protect women's rights to safe and legal abortions to ensure the health of our country.